My name's Martina Svobodová, and I'm just here to tell you about how I came into how I discovered IT. Well, my life didn't start easy. We moved to England when I was 2, so as you can imagine, it was pretty hard to settle in. But since the age of 6, I've been doing pretty much any kind of logics, puzzles, whatever that came into contact with IT because I just loved doing the logic puzzles, and my dad really supported me in this. And then came the big change. We came back to the Czech Republic, and suddenly I was overwhelmed with this fact that I need to know this much programming and this much of coding, and that there's so many things to do. I was suddenly able to do not just programming in a small club, but I could do C programming, go to summer schools, go to workshops all over the Czech Republic, and do things my own way, which I couldn't do in England. I mean, people there are very conservative, and you don't have many opportunities to do things. So I was so happy that I could finally express myself. And my point is that even if you come from any kind of background, any kind of past, you can do anything if you just like it. If you feel in your heart that's the right thing for you, then you will be into this topic, and you will it'll start to fill you up a bit, like if you're at a fun park or at a, let's say, just somewhere you really like, maybe doing stuff with your family, for example. If you find this thing that fills you up, then you will find the thing that will fill in your life. And for me, I think that is totally set. And I'm hoping to become a programmer at Avast, at the company Avast, and maybe get a job as a data cleaner and at another company. So yeah, and I'm also hoping to become a TEDx speaker so I can convey my message to other people around the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Martina. You can, yeah, you can keep the mic. It's wonderful to see you again. So we saw each other in the summer because Martina participated in Chiquita Summer School for high school girls, which means you're still in the high school, right?
Yeah.
You can maybe share how old you are.
17, and yeah. I'm also going to be in the summer school in Prague. I've already signed up.
Yeah, that's wonderful. I think this is really inspirational. Also, seeing girls joining. And is there any what is your favorite thing in the coding? What do you like to do?
It's probably just the fact that I can think up the algorithms. Sometimes I think of my brain a bit like a computer, and I can literally visualize the algorithm in my brain, what I want the computer to do, what kind of thing I need to do with the computer program, and so on. And if I know the language, for example JavaScript, I'm in the intermediate course, I can also relate these functions, for example print, console log, and so on.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thanks a lot.